What's the meaning of annotation? Annotation. 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 Annotation.
Annotation refers to the process of adding explanatory notes or comments to a text, image, or other media. It involves highlighting and explaining key elements of the original content to provide context, additional information, or interpretation. Annotations can be used for various purposes such as research, education, and entertainment. They are commonly found in academic literature, digital humanities projects, and digital archives. Overall, annotation enriches our understanding and appreciation of cultural artifacts and contributes to the dissemination of knowledge.